ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open sea. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew.
So chica masica. Do we have to speak English?
No, you can speak.
But it's so cute. Look, we have like a little passport.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
It's such a cute idea.
No, this is insane.
Lavenders.
Lavender flower. This is so cute. So thoughtful. Wow. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna take a shower. You just did your hair. Going for breakfast. This is our outfit. Freshly squeezed orange juice, which I'm really excited to try. I'm actually gonna try now. Wow. Wow. I also got myself a little fruit plate. We're eating a lot for breakfast. Okay, oh my god. I just retouched my makeup. I'm gonna go shoot this outfit that you can see. This outfit, we're gonna go to that. Oh, you have to press longer. Oh, on here. With that.
It's our first date together.
And she's wearing a gorgeous baby blue Aritzia.
Classy because we want to attract a
No.
husband.
Bon appetit!
I just bought it. You're already.
It's so good.
It literally melts into your mouth. What we got for dessert. And she got our breakfast this morning, avocado toast bacon and blueberry pancake. It looks amazing.
Looks delicious.
Passed by a thrift store. I'm gonna try on these things.
I want a Sunday kind of love, a love to last past Saturday night. And I'd like to know it's more than love at first sight. I wanna Sunday kind of love.
I'm going to the grocery store and I really hate going to the groceries. I have like 2 UGC contracts to film and they all require like food ingredients. That it takes me forever to find all of my ingredients because I get distracted by literally anything. List of things to buy. Hope that Metro has tulips because I need that for Easter. Some mini eggs, these are so good. It's funny because I received this PR package from La Roche-Posay and I didn't know I was receiving this. It's their new formula for their acne treatment and it says results in 8 hours. So we're gonna try this out. This is the product. I also already have, wait, let me show you. 2 are amongst my favorite brands. I actually have this on my nose right now, but I'm just taking a bit. Took a break from their old formula because they never popped and they just like dried out, but they stayed like under my skin. I'm pretty sure it's because I put a mountain of that cream on my nose so it could just like disappear, but it just like kind of did the opposite and made it way worse. Yeah. Okay, I'm so tired.
You don't actually believe a single word I'm saying, do you? Oh, sure, of course I believe you. Great. Just repeat the words I'm about to say, all right? Moon, prism, power, makeup. Right. Moon, prism, power, makeup.
Can you believe that I made this? It's not perfect, but it's so cute. Hi. I'm so happy to pick up my camera today because I finally did my makeup and my hair and I did it with an air wrap and I really like how it looks. So curled my bangs and I've been really into hoops lately and I feel like it's gonna be my thing for the summer. I don't know if you guys can notice my pimple. It's Monday and it's been very calm. I haven't left the house. I actually rarely ever leave the house, but it's getting warmer. Better reason to head out to the city. I picked up my camera because I was reading. I have like this much left. Reading this novel that my boyfriend told me to read. His mom told him to read it. A French book. It's super cheesy. It just talks about, I don't even know, I'm really bad at explaining, but that just made me notice more meanings, day-to-day life, and I just can't wait to apply these to my real life and see. There's a lot of coincidences that happen in this book that are super, in my opinion, unrealistic, but they happen because the main character decides to notice those little details. If I start to notice more things, maybe more coincidences are going to happen to me. So I'm excited to do that and notice the little things. I don't know what to expect. I actually picked up quite a few hobbies because I finally get to do that, which is insane. And I feel like everyone does have an artsy side. Like, it doesn't mean that you have to draw well. Like, there's so many ways to express art. I feel like not enough people are tapping into their creative and artistic inner child. I've loved creating ever since. Coming from an Asian family, I know that just the idea of being an artist or a singer or a painter, not even a concept that exists, and I wished it was different, but that's how I was raised. They were so wrong. And it's crazy because now I get to be super crafty and create these little things and paint them. Like, I never thought I was gonna be a painter, and I never thought I was good at painting. But I just started doing it and I'm making money off of it. So it's my cousin's birthday very soon. I'm just not sure if she's gonna like this one, but this is a beautiful bow, which is a lip balm holder. Quite heavy, so I don't know if she's actually gonna like to have this on her purse. It freaking broke here and I can't find the missing piece. We went to watch Ponyo in theaters when it came out when we were kids, and I made her a little Ponyo keychain. It's so cute. I don't think she would have ever expected this. Personalized gift, and I'm giving her a few other things, but just wanted to show you guys. I think I've been rambling to the camera for like 30 minutes or even more, so I'm just gonna vlog off for now. Okay, so I just went into the Geek Squad and guess how much is it guess how much it's gonna take to repair a little drive. Guys, it's gonna cost $700. Like, are you kidding me? Knowing that number, at least I have an immediate answer, which is no. I have so much footage on it, but it's just like not worth it. I've been wanting to restart from zero for a really long time. Every single time I open that drive, I get so overwhelmed by how many videos that keeps piling up because I've been procrastinating. Honestly, most of them are not even up to date anymore. So anyways, I'm not gonna get it repaired. I'm at Sephora now and I'm gonna go try some Kosas. I've never tried Kosas before and I just hear so many good things about it. I'm so excited.
The legends on you, I left the morning.